smash.
Nice.
You.
Love it. Welcome to Kansas. Hey everyone, Pastor Van here. Welcome to the pulpit. It's been a few days, well, longer than that. Let's just say that life is what life is, and I don't get as much time as I'd like to do this. But even though I recorded these Omegle videos several weeks ago, I'm finally ready to get them out. I'd like to welcome you all back. If you're new here, where have you been? In the meantime, I'm only recording this one intro for this video, so the next two, well, you don't know what's going on. That's because you watched them out of order, like Star Wars. In any case, after my corpse paint videos and the cat ears, I came up with a brilliant idea, and I went on Omegle with cat corpse paint. Why? Because I can. And if you don't like it, that's your issue. Not mine. So, without further ado, on to the video.
Oh.
Hello.
Oh, that is so creepy.
Meow, baby.
Oh, Lord. What the fuck? I know you lying. Are you like trolling or is this like real? Like,
I might be trolling.
what do you actually look like? Like, what? Look.
All I can see is booty. I don't know what she looks like. I'm impressed that you took the time to brush the hair out of your eyes to verify what you were seeing. Righteous. Thank you. I'd smash me. It's either going to be a very long night or a very short night.
Whoa, that's sick makeup, bro.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. What are you doing
How long
on?
did it take you?
Tonight, about an hour and a half.
Only an hour and a half? Holy shit.
Yeah, not too bad. But the nice thing about corpse paint is the more you fuck it up, the better it looks. So, you know.
That looks sick, man. Keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, baby.
I really fucking like you. You are. Wait.
Hell yeah.
Hell fucking yeah. I love your fuck.
Meow, baby.
Yo. You look sick.
Thank you.
Oh, hey.
I like your collar. That's nice.
Oh my god.
You need a bell on your collar.
It looks delicious. I sadly don't have a bell. I'm sorry. What? Stop yummy. Stop twerking.
What the hell is going on there?
Great, chaotic people. This one's twerking. Our dog died today.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Tell your twerking friend her posterior is going to be on YouTube.
Oh,
thank
Oh.
you.
It's a boy.
It's a guy, by the way. Yeah, it's a
I'm
guy.
okay with that. I like YouTube.
Nice.
And I have a nice ass, so I'm okay with it being.
Jeez.
Oh, hey, what up? Meow. What up?
Meow. You all right, bro?
I thought it was one of those webcams that wouldn't respond. He got me so hard. I was mid-drink water. It's like meow. I was like, oh,
Wait.
oh, my bad, sir.
Adam Sandler.
Meow, baby.
Adam Sandler?
Derek Thomas.
Did I finally find Adam Sandler? Ooh. I finally found him. I found Adam. Play Gangnam Style.
You know, I'm used to being the one confusing people. You're not helping me out.
Thank you.
Meow.
Oh my god.
Let me guess, you're the one that's used to being the confusing one in the conversation, aren't you?
I guess.
Or not?
I don't know. No, because the makeup scared me for a second.
You know, you may be experiencing some confusing feelings right now, and I understand, but it's okay. I am hot.
I never said that.
You don't have to. I can see it in your face
No.
and your hair. Meow, baby. Meow.
Is that fucking makeup?
Yeah.
Holy shit, that looks so cool.
Well, I am pretty old school, so I might as well do it that way, right?
Dude, it just looks sick as fuck. I'm just kind of sitting there.
That's awesome. I love your look. I'm really digging that.
Thank you. I like the fucking. There's so much shit going on in the background. Hell yeah.
You look awesome.
Thank you. Appreciate it. You do.
Meow. Meow.
Didn't expect that, but
Meow.
okay, good. I didn't want to.
Meow.
Meow.
Meow. Meow.
Meow.
Yeah, you yourself too big. Yo, he's hacking up a.
Your friend didn't get it.
I got it. I definitely got what you were doing. I like your makeup. It's really cool.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Whoa.
Meow.
Meow. Say it again.
Meow. Meow.
Yes.
Absolutely. If I come over to your place, will you give me a hairball?
Yes.
Oh, God. I don't want a hairball from that. Meow. Meow.
What's up?
For just a second, I thought you were a Portal personality sphere, but that's not it.
I mean, some people have called me baseball, so that's not that bad.
I can see that. See that?
I like your makeup.
Thank you. Thank you.
And your setup is really cool.
Who's getting head? Hello. Oh my god, your makeup's
Whoa.
so cool.
Meow. Who's getting head?
The last person had their camera like in their lap, like facing up to their face.
Oh,
It was very strange.
okay. You guys
Whoa.
look adorable.
Thank you.
Thank
Your
you.
room is so cool.
Yeah.
Your setup
Thanks.
is so awesome. Do
So
you like
y-
a YouTube channel?
I do.
What is it? I'm gonna go subscribe right now.
See, but if you're gonna subscribe to my YouTube channel, I can't do my dirty joke. It's not as much fun.
Oh, tell me. What is
Yeah.
it?
I've been
know.
I've been asking people if I can stop by their place later and get a hairball.
That is hilarious.
But you'd be amazed at how many people skip me right after I say that. Go figure.
What? That's so funny. It's too cool to skip. Exactly.
Well, thank you guys.
Watching all of your videos later.
Oh, awesome. You don't have to watch all of them. And you don't have to subscribe either, but you're welcome to go look and see my weirdness.
Wait, I already did.
You guys are awesome.
You're
Have
awesome
fun.
too.
Awesome too.
Okay. Bye bye. Have a great night.
You too.